Okay, hey, hello everyone. So this is the final step of cleaning process. So what you can see here is totally clean PC now. So everything is clean now. Motherboard, video card, CPU cooler, hard drive disk, floppy, not floppy, so everything, maybe except some part which are deep inside over there. So you can see there, not deep inside, on the bottom. So over there you can see on the bottom of this box. But everywhere else, even in power supply box, in this box, so there is no more dust. I opened this power supply box and I used my mouth, wind from my mouth, to clean this. Okay, and now it's time to shut this down with this side. Well, it should be like this, like this. And actually that's all. I will screw this back, and that's all for this video. So, and this is now, I will show you an example, comparison how this PC sounded when it was full of the dust. So now I will just give you this example, this comparison. So this is how this PC sounded before. And this is how this PC sounds now. You can feel difference, right? So yeah, thanks for watching these videos. Have a good one. Bye bye and have a good time. See you later in the next videos about something very interesting or maybe not very interesting. Bye bye.